Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to be here with you as we dive into another episode focused on building your English skills. Today, we're looking at a really useful part of speech in English, adverbs. If you're at an A2 level or beginner, this episode is just right for you. Let's explore what adverbs are and how they can make your English sound more natural. So, what exactly is an adverb? An adverb is a word that gives us extra information about a verb, adjective, or even another adverb. In simple terms, adverbs tell us how, when, where, or how often something happens. They often end in ly, but not always. Let's go over some common examples to make it clear. Imagine you're walking to a cafe. You could say, I walked quickly to the cafe. Here, quickly is an adverb that tells us how you walked. Or let's say you're talking about studying. You might say, I study daily. The adverb daily here shows us how often you study. Finally, if you're describing a conversation, you could say, they spoke softly. This tells us how they spoke. In everyday life, adverbs help us add detail and clarity to what we say. If you're ordering at a restaurant, you might say, can I have this slowly cooked? Or when talking about hobbies, you could say, I go to the gym regularly. These small words make your sentences clearer and more engaging, and you'll find them useful in everyday English conversations. Thanks so much for tuning into today's episode of Hello Word. I hope you found this explanation of adverbs helpful and that you'll try using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed today's episode, please remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. Until next time, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.